Automation has redefined the way libraries are used by patrons and made access to knowledge and information easier and quicker. Beginning in 1930, library automation has evolved into a fine-tuned techno-empowerment tool today. Radio frequency identification is the new age AI-DC technology that comprehensively enhances library efficiency with 100% accuracy. RFID seamlessly automates circulation operations and theft detection processes. It simplifies user experiences and enables library staff to focus on the more value-added aspects of their jobs. RFID library automation. Beginning its techno foray as early as 2006 and playing the role of a change inducer as the technology evolved and matured. Rapid Radio is a specialized RFID hardware manufacturing company offering a comprehensive range of RFID hardware products for libraries of diverse sizes and scales. With on-ground experience of 150 plus live library projects, a track record of 10 million RFID tagged books, and NCIP integration with more than 10 library management software systems. Rapid Radio is logically the optimal choice for any library planning to implement RFID technology automation. Rapid Radio is the only Indian company certified by both InflibNet and NIC centers for NCIP compatibility, which plays a major role in integrating RFID hardware with LMS of libraries. Here's an overview of Rapid Radio's RFID hardware functions and their key features. Rapid Radio Library Automation and Management Solution. Redefine the way your library operates with RFID-driven intelligence.